Today we're going to pick up our 2023 Model Y.
Here are the details of our Tesla. We'll order the Model Y long range with the deep blue metallic paint and the white vegan leather interior. We stuck with the 19-inch standard Gemini wheels and did not get the full self-driving upgrade or the home charger.
It's been about 4 weeks since we placed the order, and today we finally get to pick it up. So here we go. We are currently on our way to Tesla.
Yeah, we're 11 minutes away.
Oh my gosh, what if that's it right there?
Oh, that might be it.
I think that's it right there.
I think that's it. Oh my gosh. All right, you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
We are picking up our Tesla today.
Okay, picking up your car.
Yeah.
Steffi right here. They're here to pick up their car.
Give me 1 second, I'm putting that paperwork in and you guys should be able to
Okay, no worries.
You guys are all set. You should be able to follow the prompts in your Tesla app now.
Okay.
It should turn blue to kind of start to verify that you're here, that you found your car. Once that's done, you accept delivery, you'll be able to pair the phone to your car.
Okay.
Once that's paired, it'll unlock, get inside, there's some paperwork to sign and bring back in. We'll be here to answer any questions, okay?
Okay, all right,
thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Babe, this is it.
I know.
Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It says once you locate your new vehicle, check the VIN to ensure it matches the one listed below. VIN can be found, so we're gonna check the VIN. Yep, that's correct. I've located my vehicle. Accepting terms. Wow. All right, it's connected.
Wow.
It's opened. Okay.
Before we accept delivery, we have a checklist of some things we want to inspect before taking our Tesla home.
Yep. VIN number matches the paperwork. All right, so we get 2 Tesla cards. We're gonna go outside and check these to see if they work. Awesome.
Wow.
This is flush. That's flush. How's it up there?
Looks good.
Gaps are pretty good. Pretty even. Okay.
Okay.
Opens up nicely. That's the tow hook.
Nice.
Nice. And let me see if I can remove this. Oh, that's pretty easy, yeah. Easy removal. Nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna set the height already. We'll do right here. Opens up pretty smoothly.
Nice.
Good. Nice. The blue light is on, which is a great sign. The butthole. Like, look at the tires and see if there's any like damage around the tires or like curb rashes or anything. The back is already kind of tinted.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, the glass looks good.
Yeah, the glass looks nice. No condensation.
Nope.
No condensation.
Looks good.
Looks good. Looks pretty good.
Overall, pretty good.
Yeah.
Exterior checks out.
So check the interior, see if there's any scratches or dirt marks or anything.
Works like a seatbelt. Some lumbar right there. I think it's fine. Open glove box.
Yep, there's a USB drive. The cameras, they work. All right, so the final steps are to sign the paperwork and accept delivery. So far everything turned out to be just perfect, nothing too big to, you know, have to not take delivery. So time to sign the papers. All right, all good. Looks great.
It's an exciting day.
It is.
You're good to go.
Awesome.
And they'll mail you a whole packet with the rest of your stuff
Okay.
for your registration.
Great, yeah.
Afterwards.
All right, awesome. And do we get like a copy of that, or do
It'll
we...
be in that. I can get you a copy if you want it right now.
Sure, let's do that.
It's the real deal.
I know.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you so much.
Well, congratulations.
Thank
Have fun.
you,
Let us
yeah.
know if you need anything.
We have the copy of our agreement, and now it's officially ours. All right, see you later, sucker. I'm just joking. We're happy to take home our Tesla and excited for the many adventures to come. Thank you for watching.
We'll catch you in our next video where we're going to give you a full tour of our new Tesla Model Y long range.